This is the Capsulaser console for selective laser capsulotomy during cataract surgery. Capsulaser directs the laser beam to its delivery system mounted under the operating microscope. The laser delivery system is compact and fits under any microscope. How does it work? First of all, the anterior lens capsule is stained with a proprietary trypan blue solution. The dye is then washed out of the eye. The anterior chamber is filled with OVD. A surgical lens is then placed over the cornea, protected by HPMC. Done! It only takes 1/3 of a second. Capsulaser is compact and easy to use, built by the best US engineers. The device is smaller and the capsulotomy is faster than any other laser on the market. Let's take a closer look. The circular capsulotomy has blue stained edges. The central capsule is removed, and this completely circular capsulotomy provides the foundation for perfect surgical outcomes. After the cataract has been safely removed and the lens cortex aspirated, the intraocular lens is implanted and the capsulotomy edge is further cleaned by an irrigating, aspirating cannula. Capsulaser makes laser cataract surgery more accessible to all ophthalmologists.